Many still don't know how to attract girls, and they try different really weird things thinking that would help them to attract her. Getting a woman's attraction is really a hard task to many men. They go simping to get a woman's attraction, and you know what happens next. Women pretend they like to be with these simp guys to only fulfill their needs. But to get a woman's attraction and make her chase you, that needs a different mindset. The main mistake many guys make is this. If you like a girl and you want her to like you back, you try to chase her and act needy to get her attention. But as long as you chase something with desperation, you won't get it. And when you chase a woman, then it means they are running away from you. When you as a man need to chase her and do things to get someone's attention, then in your mind it is beyond your reach. Yes, everyone has done this mistake at some point of their life. But if you don't get conscious about it, it will become a great problem. Women really can sense when you do desperate actions to impress her. Do you think they will value you if they know your self-esteem is low? Having self-esteem is really important in life. To make it clear, think that if a girl is trying to make her like you, even though you haven't really shown signs of attraction towards her, what would you feel? You feel irritated or bored looking at this pathetic situation of the other person. The one thing I need you to remember is that don't be needy. Yes, I'm telling you, don't be needy. Desperate for a woman you don't even know much about. Yes, you will need to do something to attract her, but you must keep a limit to everything. Being worth it is the best way to get a girl to chase you. Let me let you in on a little secret. Getting a female to chase you does not need employing some wacky tactic with a fancy name. It's not even about doing something actively. Yes, chasing her necessitates your active pursuit. You, on the other hand, desire the polar opposite. That is why you must earn the right to be pursued. It may sound basic, but that is exactly what it is. It's all about persuading her that you're worth pursuing. In other words, portraiting an image is more vital than doing specific actions to impress her. All you have to do now is persuade her that you are a man worthy of her attention. To make yourself more fascinating, follow these methods. 1. Tell her about your busy life. You've got a lot on your plate. Did you just say you are not busy? Then go over your schedule and make a list of things you wish to do. Make it a reality. You must be busy if you want to learn how to entice a girl to chase you. You must live your life. That is the essence of the matter. A busy man is fascinating because he goes about his business. She fantasizes about how you meet nice people, have fun, and meet other women. She wants to be a part of that kind of life. It's a mishmash of a problem. Women will not pursue you if you have more spare time than Homer Simpson. They'll pursue you as if you were a candy store giving away free chocolate if you're busier than Warren Buffett. Keep hustling. 2. Surround yourself with beautiful women. How can you make a female chase after you? Ascertain that she is aware that you are not alone. Women and men think in different ways. We like single, unattached girls that are eager to be picked up. Women appreciate men who have a lot of options. Girls are biologically evolved to seek out men with access to other attractive women. This phenomena is explained by a simple biological principle. Such a man has previously been approved as a good mate. What if you don't have access to any attractive women? It makes no difference if the girl next to you is your sister or a friend. You don't think I'm telling the truth? Take 2 friends to the club. Next week, go again. But leave your friends at home. Bring along 2 female pals. You'll see what I'm talking about. 3. Invite her to places you want to visit. This isn't the same as going on a date with her. You invite her to accompany you on your journey instead of preparing a date for her and selecting a setting that she is comfortable with. The idea is that she will be able to accompany you. For example, ask her like this. Hey Lisa, tomorrow I'm going to this art gallery in the city center. You are welcome to join me if you choose. Then using Hey Lisa, do you want to go to this art gallery in the city center? I'd like to meet up with you tomorrow. 4. Send inviting instead of desperate messages. What's the difference between a message that's inviting and one that's desperate? You notice this lovely lady and decide to contact her. Keep in mind that you aren't the first guy to approach her. As a result, you should send messages in this manner. Don't send her messages like you have a lovely heart. What evidence do you have that she has a lovely heart? You have no idea who this woman is. And just because she has stunning boobs doesn't mean the rest of her body is as stunning. Instead of telling her how lovely she is again and over, you ask her to get to know you. You tell her about yourself and inquire about her own tale as well as her reactions to yours. 5. Flip the switch by becoming a leader. How do you play the game on your terms? You flip the switch. You tried chasing her down, but it didn't work out. You're no longer following her lovely ass wherever she goes. Enough. You've already given away your power. You're not going to do it again. It's past time to make a change. Start being her leader instead of her follower. Yes, she wants you to be the boss. In fact, the only reason pursuing her lovely behind didn't work was because you had a follower's mindset. However, things have changed. You're the boss now.